Well, switching the hard drives from one laptop to the other, and something that came to my attention the other time was the covers that come when the things are new. Like this one covered the memory part, and really if you don't remove it, the computer can't breathe properly, because it blocks the vents from where it can breathe. The other one is the one that's on the hard drive. So that's the same thing. If that's there, like the hard drive can't breathe properly, so those are supposed to be removed. But somehow they don't mention that. So now, unless you're going to do some repair and repair it yourself, or like I'm doing, change the hard drives about, like change them from one to the other, you're not going to be able to realize that, and your computer will be heating up for no good reason. So, but just something that I wanted to point out and mention while I was doing this, and hopefully it will benefit somebody. So otherwise, thank you again. So catch you on the next one.